Welcome to another exciting video by Louis the Data Cruncher. In this video I will demonstrate the use and features of my new data crunching Excel VBA program, which I've called NewYork Next Level Professional Speed version 2. In this version, the programming process uses a engine which basically does some cell manipulating in order to process the data. It's a little less efficient than using, say, an array-based engine. However, for this purpose, it's more than sufficient to handle the data. So let's have a look at this program by double-clicking. And here we have it. So to begin with, we can clear the display panel by pressing the clear button, but of course you can see it doesn't work because the first thing you have to do is click on the options button at the top and enable the content. Otherwise nothing will work. Now we can clear the panel and we press start to begin. It's already got a default text here. You can use this or type your own. I'll just use this for the moment. Here you enter how many repetitions you want the message to do. Default is 3. I'll just change that to 2. And this is the speed. 1 is slow, 2 normal, 3 is fast. I'll try fast, which is 3, and press OK. And there it goes. That's the first loop. And this is the second loop. Of course, you can stop the process by pressing the stop button at any time. And then you can start the process again by pressing start. You can also clear the existing text before you start. I'll press start. This time I'll put a new message in. My new message. Okay. Repetitions I'll leave it at 3 and I'll make the speed slow just to see the difference. Press OK. And there's the first repetition. You can see it's a bit slower than before. Now, when the 3 repetitions have finished, you'll have a message come up just here. When you see the message, you know the program's finished and the process is complete. That's the second repetition, and now the third one. Now the message should come up once it's finished. And there it is. Now once you start the process from scratch by pressing start, that message there will disappear. Let's try that. And it just lets you know that you're basically starting a new process. I'll just press OK, and there it goes. And I'll just stop that, clear the panel, and that's it. So that's basically how it works. If you'd like to download a copy of it to try out, in the description I'll have my email address, so just email me. That's it for this video. In my next video I'll have an explanation of how to design a program like this and the methods I use to design this one, so that you can replicate this and make your own. I'll also have a download link in my next video for the array-based engine version, which is works a bit differently, does the same thing, but it's just a more efficient way of processing data. So that's it for this video. So until next time, have fun using it, and goodbye.